Dang, it's hot. Chavilla.
Chavilla.
Hi guys, my name is Evie. I'm going to try some snacks. Hi guys, my name's Gio. I'm gonna be trying out some snacks today. Hi guys, my name's Chris. Today I'm gonna be trying some snacks. Della Rose Marzipan. Mmm.
It's good?
Mm-hmm.
What's it taste like?
Peanut butter.
And what else?
Nothing else.
Is it sweet? You have to rate it. What would you rate it?
10.
10 out of 10? Very good.
They're very good.
So what's it taste like?
I actually don't know.
You don't know? It's supposed to be like a peanut butter paste.
A little bit.
A little bit like peanut butter?
When I bit it, like the stuff got stuck to my teeth.
So it's like really, really like pasty, chewy?
Yep.
So do you like it or no?
A little. 4 out of 10.
4? Hold it up. 4 out of 10. All right.
It tastes like powder. Like the powder you use to like make pancakes or stuff.
Does it taste like peanut butter?
Just a little though.
If you were to rate that one, what would it be?
1.
1? 1 out of 10. Never eat that again?
Never. I Duvalin Versaber. It feels soft. It tastes like vanilla chocolate, peanut butter, and that's it. So I give this 10 too. Tastes good. Tastes like if you put chocolate and vanilla together, it like makes Chavilla.
Chavilla. Haha, Chavilla.
8 out of 10.
8 out of 10? Let me see them fingers.
8 out of 10.
That's 2.
Oopsie. 8.
8 out of 10.
Good.
That's good? You like it? What's it taste like?
Vanilla and chocolate. It's soft. I think it would be a 7 out of 10. Japanese style. Dang, it's hot. It's hot for me.
For you, what's it taste like though? Does it taste like peanut butter?
No, it's this. Hot.
Does it have like a little shell on the outside?
Yeah.
Yeah?
It tastes like hot.
It's too, it tastes like hot?
I need water.
Okay, is it too spicy for you?
Yes.
0?
Yeah.
Why?
It's too spicy.
Okay.
Taste a tiny bit spicy.
Okay.
Really chewy. I'll rate it 6 out of 10.
6 out of 10. Do you like it? Would you eat it again?
Yeah.
Yeah? All right, cool.
Ugh. Spicy.
Okay.
They're really crunchy.
Really crunchy and spicy?
I didn't like how crunchy it was, but I liked the spices. But I tasted a little bit peanut butter.
So if you had to rate this, what would you rate it?
A 5 out of 10.
5 out of 10? All right.
Hockey's Hot Nuts Fuego. Spicy?
Is it spicier than the Japanese ones?
No. So I rate.
Whoa, what do you?
So I rate it 9. I like it as a 9
Okay. Why?
because like the flame
It's a flame?
burns your throat.
Okay. 9. 9 out of 10. Oh, that's good. That's good. Okay, good job.
A little bit spicy.
Mm-hmm.
A little bit chewy. Really good.
Good? So if you were gonna rate that, what would it be?
At least 7 out of 10.
Boop. 7 out of 10. Good job.
It tastes just a bit spicy. Hot sauce, like with something else though, but like a really spicy hot sauce. But crunchy definitely.
Yeah. Were they crunchier than the Japanese peanuts?
I don't think so.
So if you were to give it a rating,
8 out of 10.
8 out of 10. Zumba Goma Mango.
I just ripped bite it and I do not like it.
Why?
Because
Because what?
like it tastes hot, but like tastes like a raw apple.
A rotten apple?
Yeah.
So if you had to rate that, what would you rate it?
0. I do
0.
not like it.
Not at all, bit. Thank you very much.
Okay. Probably the chewiest one out of all these I tasted.
Mm-hmm.
Very sticky. I don't taste any mango. It's like Swedish.
Sweet.
Uh-huh.
Mm-hmm.
And I could rate this 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10. That's 9. 8 out of 10.
Yep.
Very good. Would you eat that again?
No.
Thank you.
It's sweet, but I taste the spices with this sweetness, but what I don't like is how it tingles my tongue.
Yeah, is it from the spices? Yeah?
It's hard. I guess it's hard, but like it's a little bit chewy.
Yeah. So if you were to rate that one, what would it be?
A 10 out of 10.
All right.
Takis Hot Nuts Flare. Let's get into it. No.
A 0? Why?
First it was hot. It was tasting like a raw onion.
Like a raw onion?
Yeah.
Oh, that's funny. Okay, so if you rate it, what is it? 0. That's a no from
That's
Evie.
a no.
No.
This is really chewy. Probably
Like crunchy, you mean?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Probably crunchier than the other 2 peanuts I got. I don't taste chili, but I taste the sourness of lime. And somewhere spicy.
Out of all the 3, which one's the spiciest, you think?
This one.
That one's the spiciest one?
Yeah.
Okay, so if you had to rate that one, what would it be?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10?
Mm-hmm.
Perfect score.
It was crunchy. I tasted a little bit of the spice, but I barely tasted anything.
So out of the 3, what do you think is the spiciest ones?
The Japanese.
Japanese are the spiciest ones? All right, so if you had to rate those,
A 1 out of 10.
1 out of 10? Ha! You gonna eat those again?
No! Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Like this.